What's up, guys? Your girl ELLOPEP23. Today, guys, we are doing the mock-up. The face. Beat it. Heat it. Weed it. Weed it. I tried to rhyme, but it wasn't working. I'm just doing like a basic look. I don't know. I'm not really fancy with my makeup. I'm still kind of like a beginner. And trust and believe though, I can beat that face though, honey. Let's get straight into this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get into this. I'm excited. The last time I did a makeup video, I ain't know nothing about no makeup. Your good sis was looking hot mess of buttery rest. Yeah, you get the vibe. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my moisturizer. I use CeraVe, beautiful chef's kiss, baby. I'm not using too much because I already moisturized my face, but I just wanted to add a little extra, get a little extra bounce. So now my face is moisturized. I'm gonna take this putty primer. I just bought it. I've seen it all over TikTok and I'm like, I want to try it. So this is the Luminous Putty Primer by e.l.f. Not sponsored, y'all can though. Usually I use, where it go? Where is it? Where are you? Come out of hiding. So I usually use the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. I stole it from my mama. Why? Let's be real about it. If you don't go shopping at your mama's house, what are you doing? Call me what you want, but I call it saving money. Amen. Ooh, this is making me look glowy. Okay. If you're like 18 or younger and you know you're interested in makeup, number one, learn to love your skin first and take care of your skin first, because I used to hate my skin. And I have moments where I'm like, I just like it. But you know, it's okay to have, you know, oh man, I wish my skin was better, because it's like, you know, you want to improve yourself. Now, it get bad when you start comparing yourself. That's the difference. Comparing and so I'm gonna go in with this primer now. All right, let's not make this long because I'm already 7 minutes in, ain't did nothing for real. I heard that baking before and putting powder on, I think I saw this from Jackie Aina. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. I'm using Too Faced, what is it, the translucent powder. Yeah, okay, right there. But it is like a golden, it's like a golden brown type of thing. It's like a brown, it's closer to my skin tone basically. When I put it on, I don't put too much. Like, I put a light amount because I don't want to be in here. We're going to go in and brush up my eyebrows first. We're going on with concealer. I wanted to get some of these blemishes, like this one right here. I got this thing. I don't know where this came from. This thing right here, it's been on my nose for the past 2 weeks. I don't know where it came from, but it got to go. I think it's like a blackhead, or I'll pray it's not a mole. I pray Lord doesn't have a mole on my face. But it's okay, I'm still cute either way. I don't know, I ain't gonna lie, I switch up my order sometimes. I do, you know, I do the powder first, or I'll do in concealer first, or I'll do the foundation first, then do everything else. You know, I don't know, I'll be picking. I pick and choose what I want to do. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the concealer. If I find it. I'm using Too Faced concealer, multi-scoping concealer by Too Faced. What is butterscotch? I'm using butterscotch. I went to Sephora with my mom. Not Sephora, what do you call that place? Also with my mom. But I'm just gonna do a little bit. That's not a little bit, but it's cool. So there's the concealer. I'm gonna put a tiny bit on my chin. And then I'm gonna put some on my forehead. Okay, now we're gonna go with a little slightly damp concealer brush. I got this concealer brush from Ulta. What is it called? It brushes. It's the It brushes, the concealer brush. Start to just move around. And when I do concealer, I don't like to go too far down, because research says it'll make your face look more draggy, like more like down. I'm just highlighting under my eyes. That's where I have the most problem, under my eyes, and I have dark spots. And then I'm gonna go back in with the beauty blender, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, first of all, I'm really looking at, and I really look like a completely different person. I only did the concealer, Jesus. So we're gonna go ahead and take some of this lip gloss. I'm gonna do a little blushy blush. I watched the Jackie Aina video. First of all, love her. I watched the Jackie Aina video and she put blush. I think she used like lip gloss or lipstick for blush. So I tried it one time and it was like, man, like a little kiss. Love it. Like kiss. Take the blurring brush and I'm just gonna kind of blur it in. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's very faint. I didn't want too much. I just want like a 20 dab bit. Okay. All right, now let's get to something for real. So I'm going to do the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 334 Warm Sun. Before I got my makeup done, and it was a 335, and it was at like honey. It's like 10 honey or something like that. And it looked good on me that time, but I think I've gotten a little bit darker. Like, I don't know if I tanned a little bit, but child, I tried this on like 5 minutes ago, and girl, it did what it had to do. But I'm just gonna pour a little bit on. I need to find something. What's something I can use? But look, that much. You don't even need like what I have. So I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna dab it in the areas where I want the foundation to be. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my foundation brush. And another tip, Miss Jackie Aina, girl, you the GOAT. She used this type of brush and then go back in with a beauty blender. Go ahead and go in with it and just start beating the face, baby. Beating the face. Once again, we're trying something new today, and we're gonna go in with a contour stick. I'm using my sister's contour stick. It's the NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Stick. Everything I use will be in the description down below. I got most of my stuff from from Ulta, and the other stuff from my sister. So I'm gonna take this sculpting face brush and I'm just gonna do like a little, and I'm just gonna the highest point of my face and just put it right there. Does that make sense? Did that do it? Yeah. I'm gonna put some down the bridge of my nose. Okay, now we're gonna take the blurring brush. We're gonna take this buffing brush and we're going to just buff it out, basically, like do like a basically blend it with all the other makeup, because you don't want to be out here with just straight up brown lines on your face, you know what I'm saying? So you just want to be sure that you blend it, and that when you blend it, just like kind of pat down. That makes sense? That makes sense? I hope it makes sense. This side looks good, but it's this side, it really is something going on with this side of my face, but we still look cute. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the flow because it was still look cute. Now on to the brows, baby. We're almost done because I'm taking forever. It usually only takes me like a good 20 minutes, but I decided to add extra stuff today. So I'm going to use the Morphe eyebrow pencil. It's called Chocolate Mousse. That's what's called, Chocolate Mousse. That's the color. I just got this. It was $6. Number one, because it was cheaper than the other ones, and number two, because I'm like, I love me a good pencil, and I heard good things about Morphe. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the powder again, and I feel like I put too much concealer around my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in a little bit with my foundation brush and just pat it a little bit, because I feel like it's too much concealer up there. But I'm just gonna pat it on, not too much, but enough where it's like it's doing what it's supposed to do. Yeah, I can see the difference. It's most definitely a difference. This side is more like, concealer is more down. This side, the concealer is more up, and I like this side. That's the thing with this side. The concealer needs to be more, stay up here. But that's okay. We learn from mistakes. If we ain't had no mistakes, nothing to learn from. And life would be boring. Use a setting primer by NK Makeup. We're gonna let this dry. Okay, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just pat it in some more. And then we're done with the bases. Amen. Literally all we need to do is lashes and some gloss. That's it. So I'm about to put on my lashes. I'm gonna put on some lip liner and a gloss, and yeah, we'll come back. So guys, I forgot to record the rest, but this is what it looked like in 3 different lights: the ring light, a little bit of light, and the sunlight. And baby, I did that. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23. Get it right.